So I've got the most amazing lamb curry on the go today. It's lamb and dal with lentils, you know. It really is beautiful. Got some lovely flavors happening there. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we've got 1 cup there of red lentils or masoor dal. What I'm going to do is give them a little wash in some water 2 or 3 times, and then they're ready to go. And then we're going to go like equal amounts, like 1 cup of onions. Using red onion here that I've sliced. So look here, I've got a kilo, which is 2.2 pound of lamb, and I've cut it really small, nice little bits there. There's no bone in it, there's very little fat. It's pretty much all beautiful, lovely meat. Ginger garlic paste, a 50-50 mix of the 2 of them, maybe a couple of those tablespoons. Cilantro, coriander, whatever you call that. 3 tomatoes, decent sized ones, gonna chop them up. Try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato and cut them quite small. If you want, stick them into a food processor. I sometimes do that. Let's get some fresh chilies on the go. So I'm just gonna top and tail them and then give them a nice little slice. I keep the seeds in, take them out if you want, but I like them in. One teaspoon each. There we go with turmeric. Here we go with cumin. Here we go with chili powder, coriander powder, and 1 more powder today. We're going to be using some garam masala. Quite a bit of this, so a teaspoon each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 green cardamom pods. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 3 dried red chili. Okay, so tomatoes, the dal, which I've washed, the beautiful lamb, quite a lot there. It's going to be beautiful, this one. 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup of cilantro. We've got the cumin seeds, we've got the green cardamom, the dried red chili, the ginger garlic paste, the fresh chili, up to you how much you want to put in. And then we've got the big 5 there. I'll go through those again later. 1 cup of onions. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt. So you're going to need a pot, a wok, or a big skillet or something like that, a nice deep skillet. In there I've got oil. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. Today I'm using a corn oil. You could be using any type of oil that you like. Mustard oil is nice. Coconut oil, very nice. 1, 2, 3 of the dried red chili. 4 green cardamoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. So we're on a just slightly above medium heat, just for a few seconds. As always, if you're a regular to the show, you know that I'm going to tell you, don't rush this point. Let them do their thing in that oil. They're going to infuse the oil and give it an amazing flavor. And then next up, we're going to go straight in with our lamb. Like I said, I've got this beautiful lamb today, and I've cut it into quite small pieces. In it goes. And I'm going to be stirring this around for about 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, so we've got a nice bit of colour on the outside of the meat. Next up, we're going to go in with 1 cup of onion. I'm going to add some salt there, and I'm also now going to add in our dal, which I've washed. That's why it's kind of all stuck together. Rinse that through maybe 3 or 4 times in some cold water. We're now going to go for another 6 or 7 minutes this time, staying on this slightly above medium heat and stirring pretty much. Well, not all the time, but fairly often. Garlic ginger paste, in that goes. To that, we're gonna add our fresh chili. Up to you how much you want to put in. Let's go in with our spices. So we've got 5 spices today: garam masala, cumin, coriander, chili, and turmeric. We're going to mix this up just a little bit. We're going to stay on this above medium heat. And then we're going to go in with those 3 tomatoes. Again, I'm going to mix this in, and we're going to go once again for 6 or 7 minutes, staying on this above medium heat. We want those tomatoes to cook down and maybe give off a little bit of moisture. We're nearly there. Most of the ingredients are in now, aren't they? Look, you can see that those tomatoes are breaking down really nicely in the mix there. They give off a little bit of moisture, and at the same time the dal is cooking. Now look, if you didn't get that amount of moisture, don't worry, because we are about to add water anyway. So I've got some cold water here. What have I put in there? 3 cups, 4 cups, I don't know. What we're going to do now is we're going to get this not on a simmer, just above a simmer. We're going to let it go now for about 12 minutes or so. Give it a stir every now and then. Beautiful. Okay, look, I'm just about halfway through. We're like sort of 6 minutes in. You can see it's reducing down and getting really beautiful, really beautiful. Look, I'm super happy with this. Off goes the heat, look at that. That is really, really good. Check that for salt, it's great for me. Let's get that little bit of cilantro, coriander in the mix. So happy, so happy. Okay, what I've done is I've just got some fresh ginger, cut it really, really thin, put that on the top. That's lovely to mix in or to eat just like that. I like the kind of rawness of that. That's beautiful with either rice, but for me, I'll eat that with some sort of chapati, roti or something like that, some paratha. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.